Hi, I'm Claire Merritt and I'm an employment partner here at Paris Smith. I'm going to be giving you 3 key takeaways from my experience over the last decade or more in dealing with leadership and employment law. Please do subscribe to our channels for more content. So, my first key takeaway for those in leadership in relation to employment law is managers make decisions. So if you're a manager and you're going through a difficult process with an employee, whether that's a grievance, a disciplinary, maybe redundancy, you need to evaluate all of the evidence and make the decision. You can't delegate that decision. You can't say, oh, I think HR would do this. You need to make your own decision because the employment tribunal won't accept anything other than you making that decision. And I know that's tough, but you need to evaluate the evidence and then come to your own conclusion. And that way you can justify yourself if you get challenged in the future. So my second key takeaway for those in leadership who are dealing with employment law is that leaders weigh up commercial reality. So that's really tough. That's knowing your organisation, knowing your staff, knowing your management time, the projects you've got on the horizon, the costs involved in it. And it's also evaluating the legal advice you're getting. Good employment lawyers advise on the law, but they also advise on the commercial reality of the situation. So take all that on board and then make a decision about whether you want to proceed, whether you want to settle, how you want to deal with matters. That is the real key to making a really good decision when you're using employment lawyers. So my third and final key takeaway for those in leadership dealing with employment law is employment law should be tailored to your organisation. Now, we can't change the law. Unfortunately, I've been asked that previously, but we can't. But a good employment lawyer will say to you what the options are in relation to risk, in relation to your organisation, and we can work with you to make sure the solutions work for your organisation. Ignore employment law at your peril, but knowing when to ask the questions and getting that solution that's tailored to your organisation is really important as well. So make sure that you don't just blindly follow employment law, it's tailored to your circumstances and your organisation. Thank you so much for watching my key takeaways for leadership and employment law. Please do contact anyone in the Paris Smith employment team. Our contact details are all on the website. And please do subscribe to our channel for more content.